Hello children and welcome back to mathematics class for class 7. In the last video we have already finished with exercise 13.1. Today we will continue with exercise 13.2, all right? It is on page number 260 of your textbook. Page number 260. Please turn to page number 260 and let's do these exercises together. Question number 1. The question reads, using laws of exponents, using the laws which we have learned, okay? Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So, let's straight away go to the first question. 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 8. So, this is the question given. This is 8. This is the question that has been given to us. Now, let's try to put the laws in action, okay? Check the base. The base is 3, 3, 3. So, all the base are 3. So, this law is multiplying same base, okay? Multiplying with same base. That means, if the base is same, you will write only one base, 3. And since these are multiply, okay? 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8. All of them are multiplied, so add all the powers. 2 plus 4 plus 8. When you add this, you get 14. Okay? So 3 to the power 14. And they have asked us to write the answer in exponential form. So this is your exponential form. A base and exponent. Okay? So this is the first question. Let's move on to the next question. 6 to the power 15 divide by 6 to the power 10. Now this is same base and divide. Okay? Same base and divide. So same base means one common base. Divide means this minus this. The power will be subtracted. So we get 6 to the power 5. All right, children? So this is the second question. Let's continue with the third question. Continue with the third question, that is a to the power 3 into a to the power 2. So this is also same base and multiply. So same base and multiply. So it is multiply, so we will add the powers. A to the power 3 plus 2 is 5. It's quite simple, okay? Now let's move to the next question. 7x plus 7, sorry, not plus, into 7x into 7 to the power 2. That means 7 to the power x. So nothing to be confused. Same base and multiply. So same base, multiply means add the powers. But x plus 2 we cannot add, so we will just leave it as it is. Okay, children? So this is the fourth question. Let's look at the fifth question. Now, if you look at the first part, let's ignore this for now. Let's look at this. 5 to the power 2, the whole to the power 3. We have already learned power of powers, right? So, when we see any number like this, any exponent like this, what we do is write the base first. And since these two are power of powers, we multiply these two. 2 into 3. In this manner. This divide by 5 to the power 3 will come as it is. These two, the power will be multiplied. So you're getting 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. So now you have same base and divide. That means base will be same. Power will be subtracted. So your answer is 5 to the power 3. Okay. So this is about the first part of the question. Let's move on to the next parts. Let's look at question 7. So here we have a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. different base, but exponents are same, right? So we have already learned about this law. The base will be multiplied, but since both the exponents are same, we will take a common exponent. That means 4 will be your common. Okay, you can write this one also as ab to the power 4. Don't forget to put the bracket. All right, if you write simply like this, ab to the power 4, that means a is being multiplied one time, b is being multiplied 4 times. Okay, all right, but if you write like this together inside the bracket, that means a is being multiplied 4 times and b is also being multiplied 4 times. So please don't make the mistake of writing like this, okay? Just understand the difference, it will be very easy for you. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 7. Let's look at question 9. 2 to the power 20 divide 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 3. So we have all the base are 2, but we have divide and multiply. So what we will basically do is we will start with what is inside the bracket always, okay? So what is inside? Base is same and divide. So 2 and then it is divide, so you subtract the powers. That means 20 minus 15. Outside will remain as it is. Now this, let's continue here. It will become 20 minus 15 is 5, and you have multiply 2 to the power 3. So same base multiply, that means same base 2 multiply means add the powers. So this is your final answer. All right. This was question number 9. Let's do the next question. The next question is question number 2. 10 question I'm leaving for you. Let's move on to question number 2. Here the question reads, simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So simplify first and then we will express each of the following in exponential form. So let's look at the question. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 by 3 into 32. All right. So this we have to simplify and show it in exponential form. So let us look at all this. 2, 3, 4. 4 we can write as 4 we can write as 2 into 2, isn't it? And this 2 into 2 can be written as 2 to the power 2, right? Because 2 is being multiplied 2 times. 32. Let's do this also. 2 into 1, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 32 can also be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So this can be written as 2 to the power 5, right? So this whole expression will change again. In place of 4, I will write this. In place of 32, I will write 2 to the power 5. So your expression will become like this. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. This will remain same. 4 will be 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 32 will be now 2 to the power 5. Right? So let's continue this side. Now, if you look at this expression, let's solve the numerator separately and denominator separately. So in numerator, you have the same base 2 and both are multiply. So add the power. And 3 to the power 4 will remain as it is. Here, different powers. So 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 by 3 into 2 to the power 5. Now here, if you look carefully, you can see divide and same base also. So I will bring them together. 2 to the power 5 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 by 3. Okay, I am taking them together, the same bases. So this is divide. So 2 divide means power will be subtracted into 3 to the power 4 minus 1. No power is shown here means it is 1. Okay. Now 2 to the power 0. 5 minus 5 is 0 into 3 to the power 3. We already learned about this here. A to the power 0 is always 1. Right? That means any number to the power 0 is always 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1 and 3 to the power 3. So this we can write as 3 to the power 3. And our that will be our answer for this question. Okay? So to be able to solve all this, you have to know all the laws. Okay? Please have those laws with you so that you can utilize it anytime. You can put it into the answers anytime. All right? So you have to be very familiar with it. To be familiar with it, you have to practice a lot. Let's look at 2. So we have 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 divide 5 to the power 7. Now this I can write as 5 to the power 2 like this, right? Divide, I'm going to write like this. Okay, now these two I will first solve for this, the numerator. So you have seen powers of power. That means 5 to the power 2 and power 3. That means take 5 as the base, multiply the two powers. You can easily identify power of powers by looking at the bracket. Between the bracket and the power, there is no other number, right? Just 2 and 3 and then bracket. That means you have to multiply these two powers, okay? Just for your understanding. And 5 to the power 4 by 5 to the power 7. This is 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4 by 5 to the power 7. We can continue here. Since this is multiply, so 6 plus 4 by 5 to the power 7. So 5 to the power 10, 10 by 5 to the power 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. This is divide, same base, divide. So 5, 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 because base is same, but it is divide. Okay? So your final answer is 5 to the power 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is your final answer. All right? Let's do question number 4. I'll skip question number 3. All right. 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8 by 21 into 11 to the power 3. So we can write 21 can be written as 7 into 3. Okay? The rest, all right. Therefore, or we can write then this expression will become 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8 by 7 into 3. In place of 21, I'm going to write 7 into 3 into 11. All right? So once this is done, separate all the different bases. This 3 and 3, 3, 1 minus 1, right? Power, no power is given means 1. So 1 minus 1 because they are divide into 7, 2 minus no power is given means 1. And finally this 2, 11, same base, 8 minus 3. Okay, it looks complicated, but once you understand the laws, it will be very easy. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 7, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 11 to the power 5. Okay, so this 3 to the power 0 you can write as 1, all right, and 7 to the power 1 is 7, 11 to the power 5. Or simply you can write 7 into 11 to the power 5. Okay, so this is question number 4. Let's look at one more question before we wind up. All right, we will solve quickly. We will quickly solve one more question. 6. It's quite simple. You don't have to do anything. Just know that a to the power we know, since a to the power 0 is 1, all right? We know this, therefore 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1, 4 to the power 0 is 1. So you get answer is 3. All right? So this is a simple question that we quickly wanted to look at. Let's look at one more question before we wind up for this session. 9. Sorry, 10. A to the power 5 by a to the power 3 into a to the power 8. Okay? So this is the question that we have with us. So first solve for this. Both the base are same. It's divide, so power you subtract. All right? A to the power 8. So a to the power 5 minus 3 is 2 into a to the power 8. Both base are same, multiply, so add, and you get a to the power 10. All right? Similarly, question number 11, 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 8 b to the power 3 by 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 5 b to the power 2. So the numbers you take together, 4, it is divide, so 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 into a, both are a, divide, so 8 minus 5 into b, okay, divide, so 3 minus 2. So I get 4 to the power 0, a to the power 3, this will be b to the power 1. 4 to the power 0 is 1, a to the power 3 I will write as it is, b to the power 1 is b. So finally we get this. All right. So with this, we come to the end of this class. We will continue with the other questions in the next class. So until I see you again, please continue to practice regularly so that you will be able to identify and understand the different laws of exponents. Okay. So I'll see you again very soon in the next class. Till then, please take care. Bye-bye.